Hi there, this is Alvin and welcome to Kickstart Commerce. In today's tutorial, I want to share with you a quick and easy way of how to go about finding broken links on your WordPress website. So we're just going to jump right in. So I'm running a vanilla version of WordPress, say that fast 5 times, on a local host. And so essentially go ahead and log in to your admin panel, and what we're going to do is go to plugins, add new, and when you get there you will want to type in Broken Link Checker, and there are going to be quite a few plugins that pop up here. And so there's Broken Link Checker for YouTube, which I'll do a video on, as well as there's a newer version of Link Checker, and then there's also easy affiliate links, but the one that you'll want to key in on is the Broken Link Checker, which will check posts, pages, and all other content for broken links and missing images in hopes of helping you to improve SEO. So go ahead and click install, and once it installs, we will activate, and it is a really lightweight plugin, and it's something that it's kind of one of my go-tos in terms of, just making sure that content, if you're first starting out, you can actually kind of manage your content, because you only have X amount of articles. But as time goes on and your blog grows from hundreds of pages, maybe into thousands of pages, like Kickstart Commerce, then you actually need a tool like this to be able to check broken links. And so if we go to settings, then they're listed under settings, you can see Link Checker. And essentially what this is the admin page or the settings page that will notify you, and it shows you how many broken links are found. If there are no URLs in the work queue or no links detected, you can change how often links are checked. You can also add whether or not you have email notifications in there, and so it offers quite a bit. You can also integrate this with YouTube's API, and then as well you can specify for what types of documents you want to check links. So for this one, I have comments, pages, and posts that are set, and you can also check the post status. So if it's published, if it's scheduled is great, because you don't want to publish things and they have broken links. So we'll do that one, and we will also look at what links to check. So you have HTML links, image links, plain text URLs, embedded YouTube videos, and it's also good if you use Vimeo as well, or if your site is rarely, I probably say if it's anywhere beyond like 3 years old, then you'll also want to check like the old YouTube embedded code there. And then last but not least, they give you different APIs, and then there are some different advanced options of whether or not you show the dashboard widget to administrators only, or editors and above, or nobody, which disables the widget altogether. So that being said, it still checks the links, but you will not show the dashboard widget. So that being said, let's go ahead. I'm just going to click Save Changes, and you can recheck all of the pages. So if you go to Advanced and Forced Recheck, and you can say recheck all of your pages, or you can just simply kind of let this plugin work its own magic in terms of how often you say go out and check links. And so what I want to show you real quick is just how well this works. And so we'll create a new post here and purposely break a link so you can see it in action. So we'll just call this post testing, and I'll just put in here testing, and then we will type in alvinbrowser.com, which I hope is not taken or registered. About to find out. So it is live, and so I'm going to go back to the dashboard now that we know that the page is live. And we should have a broken link once we get back to the dashboard, and I'll show you where at you can find this given dashboard. So now that we're back, what you'll want to do is go to Tools, and then under Tools there will be a link that says Broken Links, and you can click that and it will show you. There we are. So it will show you Alvin Browser is the link that is in question that's broken, and it tells you the status, server not found. If you click details, it'll drop down and even give you greater details into what the log states about that given URL and what the response headers are, how many times it's been counted, if it's a redirect link possibly, and it lets you know what the link text is, as well as the source. So if it's a page or post, and you can actually go in and edit that page or post, or you can edit that URL. And so if you wanted to edit the URL and say that, and then update, and then now it says status is not checked. So now if we recheck it, it'll wait, and then it should give us perfect. So it gives us an okay status, meaning that this link that was once broken is now okay, and it gives us, so if we click details, hopefully it'll give us kind of the drop down that you saw before. I've had issues in terms of when things were okay of actually what it returns, but in most cases, if the link is a valid link, then green means good and okay is good. So that being said, that's just how easy this tool is to use. And so you'll want to go to Tools, Broken Links. It'll show you all the different links, and you can even clarify in some instances that certain links are not broken. So if I was doing a tutorial and I knew that I was going to go out and purchase Alvin Browser, but I went ahead and I scheduled it anyway, and then for whatever reason it came back and said, okay, hey, at the time that we checked, the link was broken, but I went and registered the domain afterwards, then you can come back in and basically say this link is not broken, or simply recheck. So that's it. That's this tutorial. Like I said, I hope it helps you find all broken links, all broken images throughout your website. You want to get those things cleaned up so that they don't necessarily impact your overall SEO health. And so with that, please leave me comments below this video if you have any questions pertaining to your site, broken links, overall SEO health. And please feel free, please hit that subscribe button. I drop a tutorial every week, every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. A lot of times we're talking about search marketing. Sometimes we're talking about WordPress tips and tricks like today, or other times I'm also talking about how to invest and develop domain names into profitable businesses. So that being said, please also head over to kickstartcommerce.com and subscribe to our daily newsletters, where I share the tips and tricks of digital strategy. So go ahead, subscribe here, get that daily email, and like I said, I look forward to seeing you all back here next week for the next tutorial. So thanks, and that's all for now.